We use the present progressive to describe ongoing actions. For example, I am teaching English, and you are watching this video.
Hello, I am Ava. Today, I will teach you the present progressive tense. We will learn how to use it, when to use it, and how to form it. Don't worry. I will make it simple and easy to understand. 1. What is present progressive tense? The present progressive tense is a type of verb tense. It is used to talk about actions that are happening right now or around this time. We use the be verb, am, is, are, plus verb plus ing to make this tense. Structure: subject plus am slash is slash are plus verb plus ing plus object. Examples: I am reading a book. She is cooking dinner. They are playing football. Notice that the main verb gets ing at the end, and we use am, is, or are depending on the subject. 2. How to form present progressive tense. The present progressive tense is very simple. There are 3 steps. Step 1. Choose the subject. Subjects can be I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Step 2. Use the correct form of be. I am. He, she slash it is. You slash we slash they are. Step 3. Add the verb plus ing. Add ing to the base form of the verb. Examples: I am studying English. He is running fast. We are watching TV. 3. When to use present progressive tense. We use the present progressive tense in different situations. Let's see them one by one. A. Actions happening right now. We use this tense when something is happening at this exact moment. Examples: I am writing a letter now. She is listening to music. The children are playing in the park. Notice the words like now, right now, at the moment can help us identify this usage. B. Temporary actions. Sometimes actions are not permanent. They may last for a short time. We use present progressive for these actions. Examples: I am staying with my friend this week. He is working in a new company for a few months. They are learning French this year. These actions are happening around the present time, but not forever. C. Changing situations. We also use the present progressive tense to talk about changes or developments. Examples: the weather is getting colder. Prices are increasing quickly. The baby is growing very fast. Here, we see that the situation is changing, so we use present progressive. D. Repeated actions, with always, constantly. Sometimes, we use the present progressive to talk about repeated actions that annoy us. We use always, constantly, forever in these sentences. Examples: she is always complaining about her work. He is constantly checking his phone. They are always arguing. Notice that even though these actions happen many times, they are temporary or annoying, so we use present progressive instead of simple present. E. Future plans. We can also use present progressive to talk about planned future events. Examples: I am meeting my friend tomorrow. We are visiting Paris next month. She is starting her new job on Monday. Here, even though it is the future, the plan is already made, so we use present progressive. 4. How to add ing to verbs. To make present progressive tense, we add ing to the base verb. Sometimes, the rules are simple, and sometimes, they change slightly. A. Irregular verbs. Just add ing to the base verb. Examples: play playing, read reading, cook cooking. B. Verbs ending with D. Drop the D and add ing. Examples: make making, write writing, drive driving. C. One-syllable verbs ending with consonant-vowel consonant. Double the last consonant and add ing. Examples: run running, sit sitting, swim swimming. D. Verbs ending with ie. Change ie to y and add ing. Examples: lie lying, die dying. 5. Present progressive tense for questions. To make a question, put the correct form of be before the subject. Structure: am/is/a plus subject plus verb plus ing. Examples: am I speaking too fast? Is she coming to the party? Are they playing outside? We can answer these questions with yes or no. Yes, I am. /no, I am not. Yes, she is. /no, she isn't. Yes, they are. /no, they aren't. 6. Present progressive tense for negative sentences. To make a negative sentence, use not after am, is, or are. Structure: subject plus am/is/a plus not plus verb plus ing. Examples: I am not watching TV. He is not sleeping now. They are not going to school today. We can also use contractions for informal speech. Am not aren't, in some informal cases. Is not isn't. Are not aren't. Examples: she isn't cooking lunch. We aren't playing football. 7. Present progressive tense with time expressions. We often use time expressions with present progressive tense to make the meaning clear. Common words: now, right now, at the moment. Today, this week, this month. Currently, these days. Examples: I am reading a book right now. She is studying hard these days. They are staying at a hotel this week. These words help to show that the action is temporary or happening now. 8. Common mistakes in present progressive tense. Many learners make mistakes while using present progressive tense. Let's see the most common ones and how to correct them. Mistake 1, using simple present instead of present progressive. Wrong, I read a book now. Correct, I am reading a book now. Mistake 2, forgetting ing. Wrong, she is cooked dinner. Correct, she is cooking dinner. Mistake 3, wrong form of be. Wrong, he am playing football. Correct, he is playing football. Mistake 4. Using stative verbs incorrectly. Some verbs do not use present progressive because they describe a state, feeling, or opinion, not an action. Common stative verbs like love, hate, know, understand, belong, want, need. Examples. Wrong, I am loving this song. Correct, I love this song. Wrong, she is knowing the answer. Correct, she knows the answer. 9. Present progressive versus simple present. It is important to know the difference between present progressive and simple present. Simple present. Used for facts, habits, and routines. I go to school every day. She drinks coffee every morning. Present progressive. Used for actions happening now or temporary actions. I am going to school now. She is drinking coffee at this moment. 10. Examples for daily life. Let's see how we can use present progressive in daily life situations. At home. I am cooking dinner now. She is cleaning her room. We are watching TV together. At work. He is sending emails. They are having a meeting at the moment. I am preparing a presentation. At school. The students are reading books. The teacher is explaining a lesson. We are learning English grammar today. With friends. They are playing basketball. I am chatting with my friend. She is singing a song. 11. Fun activities to practice present progressive. Practicing is the best way to learn. Here are some fun activities. Observation game, look around and describe what people are doing. Example, the boy is running. The dog is sleeping. Picture story, look at a picture and describe the actions in it. Example, in the picture, the girl is painting. The cat is jumping. Role play, act out daily activities and describe them using present progressive. Example, I am brushing my teeth. You are reading a book. Writing diary, write what you are doing every day. Example, today, I am learning English. I am cooking lunch. 12. More examples of present progressive tense. Here are many more examples to help you remember. I am talking to Ava now. He is running in the park. She is reading a storybook. They are playing chess. We are listening to music. The sun is rising in the sky. The birds are singing beautifully. I am learning new words in English. He is drawing a picture. She is writing a letter to her friend. The children are jumping on the bed. I am watching a video on YouTube. They are studying for their exams. My mother is cooking tasty food. The baby is sleeping in the cradle. 13. Quick tips to remember present progressive. Always use am, is, or are. Add ing to the main verb. Use it for actions happening now or temporary actions. Don't use it with stative verbs. Use time expressions like now, right now, at the moment for clarity. 14. Present progressive tense practice questions. Try answering these questions using present progressive tense. What is your mother doing now? Where are the children playing? What are you reading at this moment? Is your friend watching TV now? Are they going to the market today? Example answers. My mother is cooking lunch. The children are playing in the garden. I am reading an interesting book. Yes, my friend is watching TV. No, they aren't going to the market. The present progressive tense is very important in English. It helps us talk about actions happening right now, temporary actions, changing situations, repeated actions, and future plans. Remember the formula, subject plus am/is/are plus verb plus ing. Keep practicing daily by observing, writing, and speaking. Use time expressions like now, at the moment, today to make your sentences clearer. Avoid stative verbs and remember the common mistakes. With regular practice, you will master present progressive tense quickly. Keep practicing, and soon you will speak English confidently using present progressive tense in everyday life.